Dunkleosteus,
Hey, when Trump was
Stephacanthus,
remember the caravans?
Megalodon,
Huh? How do these
Lead
people
Cythes,
they run foot? How do they survive? Where do they go to the bathroom? What do they eat?
Yeah, and none of them looked malnourished.
No.
All of them had cell phones.
Yeah.
Well,
all of those sea animals
But I remember when these caravans
have
there
inspired
were
me to
thousands of
love the
people in the caravan.
prehistoric past.
Trump met with the president of Mexico.
yeah.
He convinced him to put 27,000 Mexican troops on the border, on the Mexican side. Listen, turn around, you're not getting in.
And I've got
That's what he
great
did.
feelings that
He made
this
a deal. He wrote a book out of the deal. That's what it was deal.
Yeah,
People, that's it.
that this one
That's what I said. People forget this.
they do.
How can you forget something like that? Had it totally under
This
control.
Pokemon
Mouse couldn't get past
I will
the guy.
consider
No. And he just
one of my
just Trump
favorites.
did
One of my favorite sea animal related
I don't
Pokemon.
This idiot.
I'm starting to believe that this Pokemon has
She's 80 years old.
lids before the
She's
dinosaurs.
still doing this.
Probably around the age where Dracovish and
Power hungry.
Arctovish had thrived. Based on its bioluminescent glow, this one
In the background,
I consider it to be
say McCarthy. He's not sure whether he can get enough votes. McCarthy.
Yeah.
really rare.
He gets done. Now behind the scenes, he say
I've been
the
staring
Hawks.
at it for a while, and I was like, wow, this Pokemon's not so bad after all.
And do what you're told.
I like it.
Yep.
And
Done
now,
this damage over the years.
I consider it the best. Good night, guys.